Well, you know it's going to be a great day when you go into your guest bathroom and you find that your sink has fallen down into your vanity.
Ack, criminy.
Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Our family renovates houses. Today we're going to show you a great way to fix this problem, and it's something anybody can do. All right, I've been working a little while, and here's the very easy fix. Got 2 paint cans and some boxes of tile, a couple more tiles. It's rock solid. There you go, easy fix. Okay. All right, I'm just kidding. So this is a vacation rental house, and we have renters coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to have to order a special bracket off of Amazon. And so I'm not gonna be able to get this fixed in time for the renters to come. But anyway, we've got a little temporary solution and the sink works just fine. So as soon as the bracket arrives, we will finish this job properly. All right, so our materials arrived from Amazon, and here it is right here. It's called the Never Fall Complete Sink Repair System. All right, so here's everything it came with. So we've got a couple of sink brackets here and here, and this one is a ratchet bracket, and this is a repair clip. So it did come with instructions. So let's see if we can make a repair. Okay, so basically what I've done, I've just kind of rigged this whole deal here to push the sink up into place like how it's going to be. And that's going to enable us to put this bracket on each side. We'll be screwing the bottom of the bracket there, and then the top of the bracket is going to go up here underneath the sink on each side. And what's really cool is this bracket has this little turnbuckle here. All you got to do is get it anywhere close, and then we'll be turning this turnbuckle and it will snug the top of this bracket right under the rim of the sink. The other cool thing is it's got adhesive on it, so all we have to do is peel those off, and we can stick it to the wall temporarily while we install our 4 screws. Okay, so that's just sticking to the wall right now, and we'll install the screws. Okay, so this has this little turnbuckle, and all you got to do is turn it, and it will tighten it right up. But they caution you not to over tighten it, and it's got this little nut here to keep it in place. But they were cautioning you not to over tighten it because you could crack the sink up here. So just make sure it's nice and snug. All right, and then we'll just do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll be able to take all this stuff out of here. Okay, so we've got the bracket is tightened up there, and this little nut has been tightened to lock it in place. Same thing on this other side. Now we can remove all this stuff that we kind of just had in here for support. I guess your other option would be if you had another person with you, they could kind of hold it in place. I'm working by myself, so this just seemed like the easiest way to do it for me. But so far so good. At least it's not falling back down. Okay, so there it is. You can see there's just a bracket on each side, and it's holding it up, holding the sink up nicely. They also gave us this other bracket if you need additional support. Right now I think we're going to go with this because it seems to be fine. So the only other step is to get some waterproof silicone. We'll be putting it right along there. where the sink meets the countertop. All right, so there you have it. It wasn't too difficult. It's basically just 4 screws on each side. Turn the turnbuckle, get it secured, turn the locking nut on each side, and you've got it supported. And then they give you another bracket if you want additional support. So there it is. It looks a lot better than having a bunch of tile and paint cans stacked under there. It's nice and clean. Leaves you a lot of room to put stuff under your sink. This never fall sink bracket system is awesome. I mean, it's clearly designed specifically for this one and only purpose. There's a ton of other kits that are really complicated, and this one just seems perfect for this job. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're gonna put a link in the description below so you can get your very own never fall sink kit. All right, so if you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.